bit more about how you tapped into the horizontal energies?
Yeah, no, thanks for asking because when the when this amazing Andean pre-contact practice came to me, it came in its skeleton form, and it
Mm,
was only the vertical heart womb system,
mm,
and it was through actually years of just drawing and researching around the world to see where else this was, and doing 6 years, by the way, of ayahuasca that really helped because as you know, that expanded me a little, and it's also from the Andes, right? So it I think it helped me to pull in the horizontal, and then once I looked at the like even the Nassau sites, and you look at the torus around the sun,
mm.
I didn't realize, yes. Can you imagine how mighty the sun's torus is, and what is it pulling in? It's pulling in the cosmic. It's, it's pulling in Sophia, right? The thanks the that cosmic void, which we've been told the void is empty, but of course it's the opposite. It's the brimming with all potential, and it's the soulfulness and the wisdom. So the sun is pulling that in and then spitting it out at the earth, and the earth is sucking it in and spitting out at us. And there is the gal standing on the earth with the horizontal earth torus energies coming right towards her. So I had never heard of a horizontal torus around the human, but apparently that is so. And can I just move ahead with something that came to me? Is that
Please.
I've had a hard time bringing men into this, and yet just last week I had an energy worker, Steve Darlington, drop in to stay overnight in my yurt, and I was telling him about this, and he was like a lot of people going, I've never heard of that. Of course not. And he said, well, let's just test it out. I'll get my pendulum out. And he he tested for the horizontal energy. He had me lie down, and yet it still worked. And he said, oh my God, it's there. It's true. And he says it's huge, because it's not like he was looking for a chakra, right? Which are tiny little um, flowers on your vertical system that are within your own personal aura. But this torus that goes around the whole body, the central channel is right between the womb and heart. So it's big. It's like what's between your womb and heart. So he was pendulum was going like this, right? He said, oh my God, it's big and it's powerful. And I
So
said, see, I told you.
that is amazing. Where did he place the pendulum to test this separate from these chakras? Like, how did
Well,
he?
I laid on my side.
You laid on your side and he did it right above the side. Oh my God. Oh
And
my,
so there was some real proof from an engineering worker who was very skilled.
amazing.